6.
Good evening, everyone. The New York Attorney General's office has now officially opened an investigation into the death of India Cummings, a 27-year-old Rochester woman who died while at the Erie County Holding Center.
After reviewing all the evidence provided by the Erie County DA's office, the state says it raised many questions, and now they will investigate. Selena Lewis spoke with India's mother and her attorney about what this means for them.
These are Mother Day cards that she gave me.
Not a lot has changed in India Cummings' room over the past 2.5 years. And until recently, not much had changed in the status of the investigation into her death while she was in police custody.
For so many individuals to have been in her presence, I just have no understanding as to why, it wasn't noticed that she needed medical attention.
After fighting nonstop for justice and getting nowhere, India's mom and her attorney got a big break in August when a report by the New York State Commission of Corrections determined that had Cummings received adequate and appropriate care from the beginning of her incarceration, her death would have been prevented. Since nothing can bring India back, all Tawana Wyatt wants to do now is make sure this doesn't happen to another family.
Words can't explain that. I mean, the loss of her, she was a beautiful person inside and out, and it has her not being here. I have a small family, and her not being here has impacted all of us in a way that I can't explain.
Wyatt is one step closer to that goal now that the investigation is out of the hands of Erie County and under investigation by the New York Attorney General's office, something her attorney says should have happened a long time ago.
The Erie County DA works with the Erie County sheriffs, the same sheriffs that deprived India of the necessary medical care that she needed, that contributed to her demise. So I think we could be rest assured that now we are having a genuine investigation with an eye towards justice.
India's mother says she's aware that it could still take several years before justice is done, but it's worth it if it means those who played a role in her death are held accountable. Maureen.
Selena, thank you. India died in 2016. The report was given to DA John Flynn in Erie County in 2017, but India's mother and the State Attorney General's office didn't have the report until about a month ago.